What's up and welcome back to another vlog. It is what is the time right now? I think it's 1:15 and today's day mornings came out to be very productive for both for me and Mayank, but I anyways worked out. Marvel, stop it! He has been barking out of this window since morning. Run! No, go over there. Go. As I was saying, that our morning has been very productive. I got my workout done. Today was my 12th day for clothing 2-week straight challenge, and I am loving myself right now. And then we also went for a walk, actually a 2-mile walk, so that got done. Did like 4,000 steps, and made smoothie, my mixed berry smoothie, which literally made my day by drinking it, and it was so good. And now I'm gonna make, I won't say a lunch, but like a snack. I'm gonna be making crostinis with some onion, tomato, mozzarella, balsamic dressing, and salt, something like that. Let me show you. I got the French baguette from Target, cut up ones like these, and I'm gonna just drizzle some olive oil and put them in the oven to crisp up a little bit, and then while it's in the oven, I'm gonna make the topping. I have my baking tray here, and I'm just gonna put these slices. Some olive oil. That's it. I'm gonna keep it in the oven for like 5 to 6 minutes because I don't want them to be chips crispy, but like, you know, crispy, little bit soft crispy. Alright, I'm gonna show you one of my favorite ways to eat Mario biscuit. I just made it here. Take the Mario biscuit, apply some butter, and then 1 slice of mozzarella cheese. Make it like a sandwich, like so. My God. Look at that. So good. Crostinis are ready. It was so easy, you guys saw, and they're super delicious. people. Look at him. He just woke up from his sleep. Where are you going, mister? So, I was saying that I'm going to show you the recipe for the banana bread. But actually, I got a little busy, so I quickly made the bread. It's in the oven right now. But if you want the recipe, please check out the link in the description box below. I made this version. It's absolutely delicious and marvelous and yummy-licious. So the link will be in the description box below. Check it out and make the recipe and let me know how it came out. But for now, I made them in those small little bread loaf pans that I got from G7X, and it fits perfectly, and 4 of them. So yeah, waiting for the bread to come out and I'll show you how it is. So basically, right now, what is the time? I don't know, it's somewhere around 4 something. Mayang is working and Nitish is coming over for some time. We're gonna go for dinner tonight outside. We're gonna go to Anjappa. It's a South Indian restaurant. I'm very excited to eat dosa because Ashley is actually in Florida. So Nitish is all alone. That's why either we go to his place or he come over here, and it's gonna be like this till Friday. So yeah, we're going out for dinner and very excited for tonight's dinner. Look at the bread. It's all done, and I was saying like I baked them in a mini loaf. These are the mini loaves and they look gorgeous. So we are here, and for appetizers we ordered sambar idli, mutton liver roast and veg samosa, and for main course we have Mysore dosa and plain dosa. Right now we are eating the papad. I know I'm showing you guys in a restaurant after so long, because I mean this is our second time coming out in a restaurant, but we love it. And what is this called? Onion something that you all mostly get in all the Indian restaurants here. So we are snacking on that right now.
Tanya almost forgot to show you guys what we are eating, but this is idli sambar and this is mutton roast with some rice, and everybody is busy eating, you can see. Yashu is not even looking up. Guys, look at this. Look at the size of this thing. Looks delicious. And we both are having the same dosa.
I'm waiting for my plain dosa.
Oh my god, look at Tanya's dosa. She's already smiling. Will you be able to finish it?
I don't know, I'll try my best.
Well, it's only paper dosa, so it doesn't have a stuffing in there. Oh my gosh. Look at all our dosas. We are so excited.
We are back home and we had so much of fun eating those delicious food. We are very full. We also packed half the dosa and then the mutton liver, and we got everything home, so we are good for tomorrow's lunch. With this, I'm gonna end the vlog, and I hope you try the bread recipe because it is super delicious. You're gonna enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, bye bye.